Welcome to the Our Drawing channel.
Today, we're going to draw Ember from the cartoon Elemental. And together we'll figure out how to draw it nicely, okay?
Okay,
Let's start by outlining its head so that it looks more similar. Look, we'll make this curve for that.
I already know. I want to do it like this.
Let's make this curve then. Now let's draw the shape of the fire. We've outlined her head. Now let's draw its eyes. Look, draw one line like this. We'll take turns and draw the line for the other eye. Just like that. Well done. Now connect the bottom lines of both eyes. Draw its eyelashes like this. We'll fill it in with black later. Exactly, on the other side. Now let's draw its cute little nose. It goes like a little triangle. And now let's draw her smile. Here, we make it like this, in the center. Just like a little bird. And there. And here. The upper lip. And the lower lip. Like this. Well done, it came out almost even. Now let's draw her pupils. Look, one pupil. The other pupil. And reflections. 1 and 2. We'll make it colored later. Now let's draw her eyebrows. Look. They go like flames. One eyebrow. And the other eyebrow. No, sweetheart, just do it like this. Like this one and here the other one. That's it. It looks really nice. Now let's draw her body. She has a slender neck.
And it looks beautiful.
Now let's draw her body, like a pizza, but longer. Like this. Let's draw her dress. Now let's draw her waist. We'll make it like a vase. Her legs are very interesting. Look, let's outline the floor so that we can place her on it. And let's draw her legs. And they go like branches. Like fire, yes. And now we just need to draw her arms. Like this. And the other one will be straight. Like this.
Here you go, Mom.
Well done. It looks really cool. Now let's put away the pencils and take a black and red marker to outline. We'll use the black marker for the dress and the red one for Ember herself. Good. Let's do it. We outline her head. Now we'll outline her arms. And her legs. We'll outline her black dress.
And it looks beautiful.
Then we'll transition. Now, let's pick up the yellow color. Look at that. It's starting to look really cool. The fiery colors blend nicely together. Great job. Now, let's add some details to make Ember stand out even more. We can draw some flames around her, like she's surrounded by fire. Use the red and yellow markers to create these flame shapes. Be creative and have fun with it. Ember looks vibrant and fiery. Well done. Let's change the dress color. Now, here's a trick. Look, we'll first color it gray. If there's anything else you'd like to add or any other details you want to incorporate, feel free to do so. Remember, it's your artwork, and your imagination can make it even more special. Enjoy the process and keep up the great work. And then we'll draw these lines on the dress. So, shall we show how it turned out?
Write in the comments who you want us to draw. And give more likes.